And it's kind of a gray blue. Okay, let's go here. I'm going to cover up some of that canvas that's showing. And then we can go back in and put more marks in after the fact. Ha ha. Acrylics are great because they're so forgiving. You can just go right over top of them. And if you absolutely hate what you painted, just go over the whole thing with gesso and start again. Then it's a upcycled canvas. All right. Now see how we've got all this character going on here. Way fun. All right, I'm going to take a couple of reds, mix them together. Let's see what we get here. I don't know. If you're watching this, you're probably cringing.